Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Some days we just want something that's filling and comforting, but quick and easy to make. And this soup is just that. Here we're gonna add some butter to about a pound of ground meat and 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Now let's add a chopped onion. Here we're adding some chopped parsley. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of pomegranate molasses. Now here you'll add about 5 vermicelli nests. I didn't have vermicelli, so what the alternative would be is whole wheat angel hair pasta. The reason why you want to use whole wheat is that it does not absorb as much water or liquid as regular pasta would, so this way you don't have your pasta absorbing all your soup and then you end up with no soup. Here we'll add about 2.5 cups of chicken stock, or the equivalent would be the same amount of water with a tablespoon of broth powder. You want to taste the soup and make sure you adjust any salt to your needs. Here we'll cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes and enjoy.